In this tutorial video, I am going to take you through how you can download and install the Unreal Engine editor on your PC. Without further ado, let us get started. The first thing you want to do is to launch your browser, and in your search bar, search for Epic Games. And you are going to see this result. If you click on the Epic Games home, this is what you are going to see. Once you have an account, you need to click this download button. This download button is going to download the Epic Games Launcher to your PC. And when you download it, find it on your download folder and install it. I already have my Epic Games Launcher installed, so I'm going to launch it. The first time you launch your Epic Game Launcher, it is going to require you to sign into your Epic account. If you don't have an Epic account, you need to create one. And once you sign into the Epic account, you are going to be presented with this page. And now if you click on this Unreal Engine tab, it will bring you to this library where you can find different versions of the Unreal Engine that you can download. Right now I have these 3 different versions installed on my PC, but if you don't have any version installed yet, you only need to click this plus button, and then you will be presented with an option to download and install. So this download and installation process is going to take some time, and you need to have a significant space on your PC to be able to install successfully. So for example, if you click on this plus icon, it is going to give you the version of the Unreal Engine, and then you can click this drop down arrow and choose which version of the engine you want. And when you click this install button, it is going to start the installation process. So I don't need to go through this because I already have the editor installed. Once you are done installing, then you are going to have access to this launch button. Then when you click launch, it is going to open the editor. So this will take some time, and then you need to wait for some moments before the editor opens. And as you can see, the editor is launching. Once your Unreal Engine editor finished building, you are going to be presented with this editor window. So now you have successfully installed the editor on your computer, and you can start creating your Unreal Engine projects. In the next video, I am going to take you through the steps of how you can start a new Unreal Engine project and create your first game. See you there.